Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Bosch washing machine error E30. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if you're getting the E30 error here, it usually means that there's a problem with the door lock mechanism or its alignment. Now there are a few things that you could try doing here. So first is you may want to check your door's alignment. Now just make sure that your washing machine is turned off here and inspect the door for any misalignment or damage. Now you want to check the hinges and latches here to ensure they aren't bent, loose, or obstructed, and also if needed, adjust the hinges so the door closes properly. Now you want to clean the door seal to remove any dirt or debris that could be preventing a proper seal. Now also you may want to inspect the door lock mechanism here. So with the machine still off, obviously for safety reasons, you want to locate the door lock mechanism, usually at this side here, and you want to check for any obstructions. Now ensure the door latch engages properly when closed, and if you have a multimeter here, test the continuity of the door switch here. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. And finally, you may want to try resetting this. Now, you want to go and close the door tightly here and unplug the machine for about 30 seconds. Now, if you can't unplug your washing machine here, you may need to go ahead and locate the breaker for it and just basically turn it off. Now, wait for about 30 seconds or more if you can. I would suggest you to basically wait for an hour if you can, and just basically plug it back in once the time is up and try restarting the cycle and see if that solves the issue. Now, if the issue actually persists, it is recommended to reach out to Bosch customer support to get further assistance or even have you connected to a technician. So most likely the problem is going to be a lot deeper than you've expected here. But the last thing that you could do here is just have a technician have a look at it and fix it for you. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.